Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit that. Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. It is June the 12th of 2019. It's been 45 weeks since we got started with our red wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. Take a look. This top tray, we've been trying to get the worms to migrate down, or at least finish up what food's in here. It smells good. A couple worms still in there. I'm sure there's still a little food in there, but it's mainly castings, some shredded plastic. And we'll take a look at the next tray. A few worms on top. This was mainly shredded cardboard and paper and some food, some coffee grounds, some filters, a little variety. Quite a few worms in there. Kind of fluff that up a little bit. See a few cocoons. Looks like they're doing good in that tray. Check this bottom tray here. It looks really good. Nice and black. Smells good, nice and earthy. So this tray is definitely coming along nice. It's about time to try to get them to migrate out of this tray as well. They are definitely working good. Cocoon there. The PVC pipes in the corner, cut at 4 1/4 inches, definitely help keeping it from getting as compact as it did without those. I mean, you could use a piece of wood or anything, I guess. There's another cocoon right there. Looks nice and beautiful. Let's see what it looks underneath. And a little bit of dry castings. Bottom. Worm ladder, not too bad either. Go ahead and move over to our castings that we're trying to bait the worms out of. See if we got any. Some mites and potworms down in there. Looks like the food still has. I'm gonna stick that back in there because I don't see any worms. It's mainly mites and potworms, so I'm gonna add a little bit of peat moss to the top of that. Stick that back in there. Well, give it a little fluffing up first. Wouldn't think there would be a whole lot of worms left in here. I'm sure there's some, along with cocoons. There's a cocoon right there. An empty cocoon. There's a cocoon. That's an empty one. So apparently those have hatched. Man, that smells good. There's a wormy right there. It's a nice, two of them. And we'll go ahead and put them in here in the holding bin. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Lots of worms. I think we fed bananas in the middle last week. They're turning this into some nice looking castings already too. Nice little group of worms. I guess, well, there's the banana. I was just getting ready to say, I guess they done ate it all. Yeah. Not sure how easy it is to see, but they're all covered up. Nice little worm ball in that banana. I guess that's all that's left. The cocoon. Yeah, they're working through this stuff. There's so many worms in here. Working through this stuff good. I'm just gonna cover this banana up. Let them keep working on that. We got lots of worms in here. Another cocoon. Let's see here. I'm gonna take a look in our bucket. See what it looks like. I think it's mainly castings as well. I need to go ahead and bait these guys out too. Yeah, they're still doing good. It smells nice and earthy. Oh yeah. Smells delightful. Alright, just a quick little update. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of food off camera. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.